as the title said, today it's an unboxing video, yeah! Of course, it's a Longchamp item, as you can read. It's something that was on my wish list, so if you haven't seen my video concerning my actual Longchamp wish list, it will link below, have a look. So, without further ado, let's talk about this little thing. But before, hi guys, let me introduce myself. I'm bags passionate, French bag collector, fashion lover, and a mobile Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. I do video both in English and French, my mobile language. So if you haven't subscribed and you love my content, please consider subscribing. It helped me a lot. If you are a returning subby viewer, thanks a lot for your support, guys. Thank you. So yes, let's go directly to the point. I went in my boutique and yes, as you know, I've got a big wish list. Of course, I know I won't buy every item because it's too much, but in my wish list, I got some items that I really wanted. Some of them I already know I will try to buy them on sale, but this one, to be fully honest, I don't try to buy it on sale. I know it's maybe stupid from myself, but I was afraid it went sold out, and because it happens to me last winter sale, I got a tiny list and some items from the very first day of the sales, they were sold out and not available even in the boutique. And this one, I really wanted it because you will understand if you follow my channel. So it comes in this tiny pouch. I'm sure some of you already know what I picked. And yes, so let's discover together. I picked, yes guys, I picked the Longchamp 3D strap in the purple violet color. Oh my god. I do hope the light can reflect the amazing color. It's a really vibrant purple shade. It's really a nice shade. It's not too neon, but it's a great one. And I fell in love. I fell in love since I saw it on the, you know, in the boutique they have the book concerning the collection. And when I saw it, I tell, oh my God, if you got one, please put it aside for me. And that's what they have done. So as you can tell, it has gunmetal hardware and it's really cute, guys. I love either gunmetal or silver hardware. I have a preference for silver hardware, but gunmetal is my second favorite, and then it's gold hardware. So you've got gunmetal hardware, you've got a piece of leather here, and the strap is all in textile. It's what is written on my document, and you can see you've got the Longchamp logo. So here you can see it well. Here you just have the legs of the horse, and here you've got the upside, we can say. Behind there's nothing, it's just purple, and I have to say I quite like it because if I want to wear it only on this side, if I don't want to show the Longchamp logo, and the other side is like this. So I fell in love. You know how much I love purple lilac shade, and I was already since last time interested by this strap because I love how it is. I know it is not adjustable, as you can tell. I will write the dimension of it, but guys, sometimes not adjustable straps are also easy to wear. Concerning myself, I'm talking, so that's why I really like it. And because I've got another, I will show you in a second, I've got another model of strap from Longchamp, which is also not adjustable, and I'm crazy about it. And I have to say, I love the print, seriously. It's elegant. Of course, the logo is big, but you know, since they haven't printed them in the full size, it's quite okay like this. I love it. Yes, I have to be honest, I was really afraid because purple is a vibe since, yes, 2 years now. And I was quite afraid since there's a bunch of designer bags in violet color that this one will be sold out very quickly. And since also Longchamp does not produce a bunch of stock, that's a reality. So sometimes, yes, when you really want an item, I advise you, of course, if you got the money and you really want it, try to catch it right now, because after that, it can be very complicated to have it. I don't like FOMO, guys, but that's just a reality. I'm talking to you. So yes, and the price of this one, it's not super cheaper, I have to say, for this, because it's just 2 hooks, a piece of leather and textile. It's $100, 75 euro. It's an amount, let's be honest, it's not the craziest amount because other designer brands are making really expensive strap, but it's a nice compromise, let's be honest. I know I won't be collecting several of them, but this one, due to the color, was really important for me to have. So, the very first bag I want to try it on was my Marc Jacob in the regular orchid. And you know that, guys, I quite love, because it's 2 different shades, but it gives, yes, it's funny, seriously, oh my god, it's so comfy on your shoulder, it's really cute. Hey, I quite like it. On my Fossil bag, you remember this lovely tiny leather bag from Fossil that you can close with a drawstring. Oh, I love with it. Seriously, it's quite fun. Hey, I quite like it. And like this. Oh yes. The 2 next bags are really the ones that I want to use with this strap. So maybe a bunch of you will hate this, but I love to play, and sometimes I want to go a little bit crazy in my outfit. So yes, I'm super excited. This is my Longchamp Pliage Extra Hobo Bag M, and the strap, white and purple. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so cute, and it's so funny, and seriously, oh, yes, I love it. And it's really okay because this bag comes with gunmetal hardware. Oh, I like it. It's my Foulonné Tote Bag M, and oh my god, look at this. Oh, I love it. I seriously love it. Black and purple. Oh yes, guys. Oh, I really like it. Oh, seriously, I like it. I'm a tiny person, so I can wear this crossbody. Of course, maybe with a big coat, it will be more difficult. If you are a taller person, I don't think you can wear it crossbody, but on your shoulder, easily, no problem. Oh, guys, I like it. Yeah. I love to play with my bags, but this combination, black and purple, is just great. And I just show you some bags, but I've got more that can suit with this strap. And right now I'm going to show you my strap collection from Longchamp. So this is the one which is also not adjustable that I got, and it's completely different. For example, this one, the leather is a Russian leather. In this one, it is just, let me show you, it is a soft leather. You see the difference? Russian leather, soft leather. It's cowhide leather also, but it's not a grained one. The hook are the same size, so this is silver hardware, this is gunmetal. You can spot the color difference. Concerning the size, they do have the same. Oh no, my apologies, guys. Okay, so let me be correct. Okay, so the 3D strap is a little bit, it's got the size of a hook more. It's longer than this one. Look, you see, she's quite longer. So this one, guys, which still exists in different color, have in mind that this one is really the shortest at Longchamp, and this one is a little bit longer. It's not crazy, it's just the size of a hook, but if you want to know. And I also got this one that I bought especially for this bag, because yes, this combination spring summer is just a gem. And this one can be adjustable. To be honest, she's also very comfy, but I have a tendency to prefer this one because sometimes, depending how I am, how my outfit is, you know, this part here are my 3 Longchamp straps, and I'm quite happy with the colors that I choose because most of them match a bunch of my bags. They are all different. Look, this one is not the same texture as this one, and this one is also different. This one is the thinnest. This one is more, yes, it's a bit stronger, and this one also because you have 2 parts when depending on how you adjust the length. So guys, this is a tiny unboxing, but I am super happy to add it to my collection. As I said, I was so happy to see this color. I just love purple, and I have to say the stripe like this really got my preference. But I do repeat, if you're taller and you want really something to wear crossbody, maybe you should better have a look at the ones which are adjustable. So yes, guys, please tell me in the comment below, what do you think about Longchamp strap? Do you have some? Do you plan to buy some? Or you keep the original strap of your bag and you don't like to mix and match? Let's open the discussion about this topic. Thanks for watching this video. If you love my content, I do repeat, please subscribe and also leave a comment. I love to answer you guys, and it helps me also for my channel. We keep in touch until the next video. Take care. Bye bye.